Hello, dear friends. I'm Shweta Sureka, your life coach and a change catalyst. Welcome to this 5 days WhatsApp masterclass. Before we begin our journey tomorrow, I thought it would be great to come today and have a quick conversation with all of you. So, welcome and an heartfelt thank you to each one of you for being a part of this journey along with me. Friends, as you all know, over the next 5 days, we would be looking at building our new habits and breaking through the old ones which are no longer serving us our purpose. But why habits? Why did I choose this topic? Friends, during my journey of coaching and my life experience, I have realized that our habits define us. It is a very integral part of each one of us. Yet, we are unable to build the habits we want to in order to lead our top-notch lifestyle. So that is why I thought addressing habits would be a perfect topic. Now, before we start working on it, let us today just quickly understand what do we mean by habits. I'm sure all of you know that anything which we perform repeatedly is what we call habits, right? But when it comes to essential or simple ones, like brushing our teeth, tying our shoelace, or taking a shower and getting dressed, when we are performing these habits on a repetitive mode, it does not really matter. But when it comes to more complex ones, like getting addicted to a substance or a person, procrastinating something, repeatedly reacting to situations, when it comes to these complex habits, even though we realize that it is now no longer serving us any purpose, we want to break through them, yet we are unable to do so. So in this 5 days, we'll understand that what is the reason or how we have built a particular habit and why do we behave in a certain manner. Once we understand the why of anything, that is when we can bring about the change. Now, before we go into the details tomorrow and start taking it step by step, there is a small little thing which I want you all to do today. And that is just spend 20 minutes with yourself and make a list of all the habits which you think is no longer serving any purpose to you, which you would want to break through, get rid of, or any new habit which you want to build. The purpose is, once you write it down, you will have more clarity. You will know what are the habits which you have been thinking for so long, or which is not serving you any purpose for so long, and now it's the time to get rid of them or replace them. It will not take you much time, just 15 to 20 minutes. Sit and just make a list of it, so that when we start working on them from tomorrow, you will know what are the habits you are targeting at. And if possible, out of those lists, mark your top 3 ones which you would want to work on at the beginning. Friends, I would also encourage you all to share your list in the group. Make the group active and lively. Please participate, because if you all share your list or the habits which you want to work on, maybe someone who is not taking the action would be motivated and encouraged to do so. or at times we miss out on a particular thing, we are not able to think in that aspect, but when we see someone else talking about it or writing about it, we can relate to it. So it will be a growth and a journey for each one of us. So I would want to make it, in order to make it more fruitful for all of us, please participate actively so that it can help all of us grow and learn. Friends, we'll meet again tomorrow and start with this beautiful journey. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining. Thank you.